that, ladies and gentlemen, is the B-2 bomber. Only a handful of these have been built. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 30, I believe, B-2s are in existence, all the way from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. They are able to fly missions of incredible length. Hear that, guys?
Hey, we sure do. Wanted to let you guys know that sometimes you need to be stealthy and sometimes you need to have power.
Hey, we're glad you're here. Gentlemen, go on back to boss. Thanks for being here. We're looking for one more pass if you got it.
Hey, we sure do. We're going to give you a quick shout out to all the folks who are down there that came out here to support for the Air Forces for America. We have some family and friends in the audience who wanted to say hi to them. And lastly, we want to say real quickly thanks to all the junior ROTC cadets and Civil Air Patrol cadets that are
representing your United States Air Force. How about a great round of applause for the B-2 Spirit?